a Williams Space Shuttle MPU, the game that saved pinball, as they say. And this one just needed a little bit of rehab. Found a couple things that I needed to replace on it. Let's see, transistor up here in the special solenoid section was roasted and pretty much of a mess. So when I send this one back to the fellow, I'll make sure he checks whatever Q76 drives, which is going to be a pop pumper or a slingshot. Somebody had already been fiddling around over here in the sound section. It appears to work now. I replaced all the caps in the sound section. I've got a jumper there so we can hear the sounds without the sound daughter card being installed. Replace these caps on the power input side, and this little one here is involved in the reset section, so I replaced that. Installed NVRAM. We have new headers all the way around. Say goodbye to those round headers that they were still using in the System 9 time frame. So we have replaced those with some quality headers. Booting, I have my Siegecraft Electronic System 9 display simulator, and that is doing what it's supposed to do. Lamp matrix operating, and the only solenoid turned on is the coin lockout solenoid. So we can put it into test. Well, that is audits. Let me reboot. Okay, now we're in test. And the display is doing what it's supposed to. Very nice. The next test is sound test. So it makes a sound at every time it's supposed to. There is no sound at position 7 in the test. Lamp matrix, all operating correctly. And the next test is solenoid test. And this is my dumbass produced or designed, I put it together, a solenoid tester I use for System 11. Unfortunately, the connectors for System 9 are the same. I can also test the special solenoid circuits, and this is the solenoid I replaced here, this second one here. I'm sorry, the transistor I replaced. So all of those are working properly. These simulate the switch inputs to the solenoids. These two LEDs indicate that the flipper power enabled relay is turned on, and the next test is switch test. And so I will go down one. That's column 1. And now I'll do row 1. And let's see if we can figure out what the last test on Space Shuttle must be switch 49. Sorry, the last switch sensed in test must be switch 49. I believe that's it for the diagnostics. Yeah. We can just cycle through the audits and adjustments. Game reboots. Lamp matrix doing what it's supposed to, and again, return to normal operation here with the solenoids and the displays. So thanks for sending it. We're going to get this Space Shuttle back on the launching pad. Enjoy the game.